Yes, a Google business profile can absolutely help a pop-up drink stand because it lets nearby customers find your location, see your hours, and read reviews before they ever walk up to your cart. Think of it like a digital sign that follows you around even though your stand moves from place to place. When someone types in "drink stand near me" or "lemonade stand nearby," Google looks at profiles that are active and updated and shows the closest, most trusted ones first. Here is something most people do not know. You can update your business hours and location every single day, and Google actually rewards profiles that post fresh updates with better placement in search results. So if you move to a new park or street corner every day, posting that new spot each morning tells Google you are active, and that can boost how often you show up. You can also add photos of your drinks, your menu, and even your setup, which helps people decide to stop by before they even see you in person. Reviews matter a lot too, so asking happy customers to leave one on the spot can build trust fast. One common mistake is leaving the address blank or vague because the stand is not a fixed location, but you can fix that by using the service area feature instead of a street address, so Google still shows you to nearby searchers. Another issue is forgetting to update hours when weather or events change your schedule, which frustrates customers who show up to nothing, so make it a quick daily habit before you open. People also forget to respond to reviews, even the good ones, and replying builds trust and shows you are paying attention. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.